In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Instagram Reels to your gallery. But first, if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. So let's get right into this video. So first, what you want to do here is click on Add New Something, and then go to the settings, and then go to Reels, and then click on this Save Video. So every time you upload a reel, your video will be saved automatically to your gallery. But however, if you want to save reels that you've already posted, there's another way. So first go to your profile here and then click on Reels. After that, click on the reel that you want to save. Then click on the three buttons on the bottom right and then press Save Video. After that, you've saved your video into your gallery. So that's basically all there is to this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.